Good morning, class. How are you? I hope you all are fine and completing all the works. So, class, today we are going to start a new chapter named Addition. This is chapter 3 of your book. Till then, we have completed our first term course, which is chapter 2 and chapter 17. Chapter 2 is large numbers and chapter 17 named Roman numerals, and we have done the revisions also, and from the revision exercise of your book we have done the sums also. Okay, so you have to practice those two chapters later on with the additions, as we are going through with the new chapter now, but you have to revise that two chapters along with that new chapter. Okay, so addition is not new to you, the word addition is not new to you, but the chapter is new to you, as now it is come with the large numbers. Large numbers mean the numbers which you have learned till the date from up to lakhs, 10 lakh. Okay, till then you have done the addition of the thousands place digit. Okay, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Till then, because you learned the numbers up to thousands only or 10,000, so you have learned the addition, subtractions, or the basic geometrical basic mathematical operations of that number also. But now we are going to with the large numbers. So as you know, the addition means adding the numbers, digits with one another. Okay, addition means आपको add करना है. Addition are of two types, beta. Addition without carrying and with carrying. Without carrying you also know, with carrying you also know. But as we are going to start a new chapter, so we are going through with the new things also. And I am going to tell you about the terms which is related to the addition. Maybe till the date up to your last class you have not learned about the terms. So the terms related to the addition is addend and the sum. The numbers to be added, जो भी number हम add करते हैं, the numbers we are adding ना are called addends. Like these numbers, okay, 6,21,347, 1,62,210. And the result of the sum means answer of the sum, addition is called sum. Okay, the answer or the result of the addition is called sum. So the 7,83,557 is the sum. Okay, 6,21,347 is addend, 1,62,210 is also an addend, and the 7,83,557 is the sum of these two addends. Okay, class. So now, as you know, 7 plus 0 is 7, 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, class. So that is the sum. Now coming to the next example, and one more thing. First of all, when the number is given to you in a line, you have to write them in a column method. And as you know that you have, whenever you adding the sum numbers, digits, you have to start with the ones place only. Don't start with the left hand side. You have to start adding only from the left hand side. Right hand side means ones place only. Keep it in your mind that you have to start adding the digits with the ones place. That means right hand side, not with the left hand side. Never start adding with the left hand side. Now there are three numbers which is given to you for the addition, like 1,24,562, 3,12,125, 4,31,012. Okay, first of all make a small place value chart like ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, and start writing the numbers. Whenever you noting down the numbers in a column method na, it is more safer to you to start writing the number from the ones place. That means from the right hand side. So they are writing it like this. Okay, they have noted down in the first of all you have to note it down in the column method. Okay, they have noted down. So now we are going to add them. 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 2 is 9, 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9 again, 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 0 is equals to 6, 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 7, 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 3 6, 3 plus 1 4, plus 4 is 8. So the required sum is 8,67,699. So this is the sum without carrying. इसमें हमने कोई carry नहीं लिया है. Carry means इसमें किसी भी दो numbers का sum not any two numbers or three numbers sum will be two digit number. Okay, only the single digit number is the sum, like 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9, like this. Okay, now come to the addition with the carry forward. Carry forward means carry over में क्या करते हैं बेटा, what we have do, there are the sum of the digits are in two digit, like ones and tens. Okay, sentence, if they are in ones and tens, we are just noting down the ones place digit below there and carry forward the tens place digit over the next place value, like this. 8 plus 7 will be 15, right? 15 ka ones place digit is 5, then we are carry forward the tens place digit to the tens value. Now 7 plus 8 is 15 plus 1. You have to add that carry forward in this number again. Okay, 16. So the 16 in 16, 6 is the ones place digit, so you have to write it over there and carry forward the tens place digit over the next place value, which is 100. So 6 plus 7 is 13 plus 1, 14. Again ones place digit is writing over there and the tens place digit is carry forward to the next place digit, next place value number. So okay, 5 plus 6 is 11 plus 1 is 12. Again write the ones place digit and carry forward the tens place digit over there. 4 plus 5 is 9 and plus 1 is 10, so you have to write the ones place digit over there and tens place digit is to carry forward there. 3 plus 2 is 6 and plus 1, 3 plus 2 is 5 and plus 1 is 6. Okay, so this is like that. There is the explanation. We add column wise. 8 plus 7, 15. Carry for, write the, there are 1 tens and 5 5s, so write the 5 over there. We write 5 under ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. Again 1 carried forward and 7 8, so it will become 16. So 100, 1 जो है वो hundreds पे जाएगा और 6 tens पे लिखा जाएगा. Okay, we are write 6 under 7 and again 100 carried, then 6 and 7 13 and 1 14. So 4 जो है 14 क्या होगा बेटे, 4 आप हंड्रेड्स प्लेस के नीचे लिखेंगे एंड 1 को थाउजेंड्स प्लेस पे कैरी फॉरवर्ड करेंगे एंड द लाइक वाइज. ओके बेटा, नाउ कम टू दी नेक्स्ट. दे आर लाइक दिस ओनली. फर्स्ट you what you have to do ना, you have to just write the question from the example and you have to do all of them. Now take a look over there. Till then we have doing the sum na, there are same number of digits, same digits are given there. That means the number of digits in the given following numbers are same. But here are now why I am telling you that start writing the number with the ones place. See, add the following: 23,456, 4,56,210, 2,13,280 and 8,371. So start writing the number again. Make a place value chart because you have to note down that in a column method. So what you have to do, start writing with the ones place. So they are writing 6 5 4 3 2 0 1 2 4 5 6 5 4 8 1 2 3 1 2 and 1 7 3 8. Now they are writing and then carry forward. Okay, 6 plus 8 is 14 plus 1 15, so you have to write 5 over there and carry forward 1. Okay, likewise 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 1 7 and 7 14 plus 1 5, right over there and 1 is forwarding over there. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 2 8 plus 3 11 plus 1. Just add the last number na, that is carry forward, add the number in the lastly. Okay, so 12 come over there and 1 carry forward to the 1000 and the likewise. Okay, so what you have to do, your homework is just to do the question number 1 of exercise 3.1 in your copy and all the examples till example, I think you have to do examples up to 5 only. Do 5 examples, note down just the question, don't note down the answer from that. Okay beta, please. So note down the questions from the book and do it in your copy. Okay, and you have to write these notes, only these 2 lines. You have to start that new chapter like this, chapter 3 addition. The numbers to be added are called addends the result of addition is called sum, and then you have to add. Okay, start the chapter. Sorry. Okay, exercise. Okay, bye, take care.